Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. Yeah, the silver chart I already explained in previous videos. Let's just go through it quickly. Impulsive wave 1, yeah, here in April 2011 or 2011, we then moved down in a long correction all the way down to the wave 2 low in March 2020. And we are now, in my opinion, in this third wave impulse, which would follow afterwards. Price target at least $80 for that, but that can take years to play out, okay? But within this wave 3, we obviously have sub-waves. We also have 5 larger waves. A wave 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. And the waves 1, 3, and 5 are impulses that should go to the upside, like that wave 1 did, like this wave 1 did. And the waves 2 and 4 are corrective waves, yeah? Also here you can see a wave 2, which is correcting. At the moment also we are in a wave 2. So you've got the larger degree 1, you've got the larger degree 2, which are complete. Then the wave 3 in which we currently are. Within the wave 3 you have various subwaves, and in this case you have a wave 1 already complete as a subwave, and we are in this wave 2. And in the wave 2 the question is, have we already seen the low or not? Based on the weekly chart, it doesn't give any bullish indication, yeah. I formulated here my target area. I haven't covered silver for that long, but I think we were around $20 when I formulated it. This is basically this larger green area spanning between $13.70 and $18.50, is located between Fibonacci retracement levels, which are the most likely Fibonacci retracement levels in a wave 2 that you see. Here in this case, the 88.7% Fib level and the 61.8. This differs between asset, from asset to asset. They have different behaviors, they have different retracement levels, and silver normally retraces to the 61.8 to the 88.7% Fib level. So therefore, this is sort of the general, reversal area in which we have a good chance to reverse to the upside. In the shorter time frame here, the lower time frame, on the weekly chart, obviously we've come into this area and we could say maybe it's complete now, that overall correction. But the weekly chart doesn't show any bullish indication. So my view is we still go lower, and the area with the highest probability where we're going to turn around, I made you aware in the previous video, that is between $15.70 and $16.85. Now, if we go now to the daily chart, we can see in a little bit more detail that yes, we saw a little bit of a, I wouldn't even call that a bullish reaction, but a recovery, here in the last few days. But now you can see on the daily chart, we have here this bearish engulfing candle, which actually indicates that we should get deeper into this target area. And to be fair, the move here to the upside, this sort of sideways move actually, was not very impulsive to the upside. It was rather a corrective wave, because if you compare, look at just this, how the steepness of this recovery, and compare it to all of these strong impulsive moves to the downside. It just shows you the difference between a corrective move and an impulsive move. So I would rather expect, based on that candle, the red candle, and also the fact that the sideways move looks rather corrective, that we haven't seen the low yet. That's also my expectation for gold, by the way. And pretty much what you see here, we've pretty much only moved sideways. Yeah? For me, I might change my view if we get above the high of the wave 4. That wave 4 here was at 1950. If we get above 1950, there's a good chance that we can reverse and that we have seen the low already. At the moment, I just can't see it. And as soon as we get below the previous swing low here at $18, let's say $18.20, yeah, I think we are going to see quite a bit of an acceleration here to the downside again. Ultimately, probably leading into this area between $15.60 and $16 and what was it, $16.80, okay? So that's currently how I see silver. I don't think we have reached the point of massive recovery yet. In addition to that, in addition to breaking above the wave 4 high, just take a look at this channel in which we currently are. I haven't drawn a channel, but I've drawn that descending trend line. A break above that one would be needed also to give a little bit more confidence that we have finished the overall correction. But if we draw a larger channel, you can see that we still have massive space to the downside. And, we could, without a problem, do something like this from a wave 2 to the wave 3 and just drop down here to the lower support of that channel, and that would pretty much work out in line with this smaller target area that here that $15.60 level. All right, so this is currently how it's looking. Price action still pointing to the downside, the Elliott waves still pointing to the downside. As long as we are in a channel, we just have to assume we are in a trend continuation pattern. So yeah, all of that pretty much confirming the view that, you know, we haven't finished this overall correction. And also within this channel, you might want to have a look at that. You can see here basically this, you can add another descending trend line here, which also we've had a pullback to, but now seen a reaction to the downside again. And this is sort of more the short-term one. A breakout above that might lead to a small rally to wave 4 high at $19.50. But again, as long as we don't get above that, we can remain focused here on the plan and the further downside potential of the silver price. Okay, and that's currently my view. Hopefully you liked the update about silver. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please also take a look at my main channel, More Crypto Online. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.